Hello. It's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I was counting how long this video is on. Oh, yes. Well, I need staring at you. Right at your soul. I am slightly insane. Maybe more. One of my eyes closed more than the other. It's this one. Anyway. Clouds float, condensation trees, they're green, monkeys brown, dog, cloud dirt. You know, the normal sheets picture. Blinds, eyes, hair. Gosh, dang it. Door, knob, on floor, carpet, cloud, stool, toothpick, floss. That was a fun little game, don't you think? I can see into your soul, because I'm that awesome. It was like you were crashing. I crashed into you. I have very important information. It's flowing from my vocal cavity. I mean my mouth. But the sound is from my vocal cords, from my voice box. My vocal cords in my voice box. That was stupid. Pointless. See, I recorded a little bit before. I recorded some. Oh, crap. Sorry, I made the camera down. I recorded some before. Actually, I recorded a lot of nothingness. A lot of crap. Well, I thought I was recording it, but I wasn't. At all. I didn't record anything, actually. It was pretty disappointing. I thought I did. I was going to watch it and laugh at myself, but it didn't happen. No. I'm talking to myself because that's what I do. No, Shirley. It's not what we do here. Shirley's asking why they don't do this. Because YouTube. Tubug. Where did the G come from? I don't know. I don't know where the G came from. YouTube Tubug. See, I added a G. I can do that. It's just not proper. I'm bored. No, I'm not bored. If I was bored, I wouldn't be doing this. But, no, because I'm not bored, because I am doing this. If I wasn't doing this, I would be bored. But I'm not bored because I'm entertaining myself by doing this. You see, it's like my cure to boredom. I would have boredom if I didn't have random recording of pointless information. Talking, mouth, dog, eyeballs, hair, nose. You know, watch, ring, cloud, frog. Dang it. Monkey, eyelash, crocodile. I don't know what I'm saying. What am I thinking? Look into my eyes. What am I thinking, young one? Unless you're older than me, then you're old one. But I'm talking to the young one. So you have to be younger than me if you're listening. If you're older, close your ears now. You don't know how old I am. Ha! It's a conundrum. You don't know. You don't know the answer. You don't know the answer. Is that the right use of conundrum? Yeah, I don't think I used conundrum right. It's not a conundrum. I don't remember what a conundrum is, but I don't think that's it. Interesting. poking myself a whole bunch. I did it like at least 20 times already. I really haven't been counting. My skin is an organ. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this again. Well, that was completely pointless, and I have no point to this video, but I'm gonna post it so that I can watch it and laugh at myself. And that's my only motivation. Yes, my only motivation is to make myself laugh. So, congratulations. You made yourself laugh. Well, I have to pee.